Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of November 2nd to the 8th. Lots of fantastic deals in this video, including one freebie. First thing that we're going to talk about is many accounts. I only have two, but I got the majority of these boosters. A 15 back when you spend 45 on dental, a 15 back when you spend 45 on Olay. And then we also have a 10 back when you spend 25 on Walgreens branded vitamins. And remember that all of these begin on November the 2nd. And then only one of my accounts got this one back, which is a 5 back when you make any purchase. So go to the top of your digital coupons folder and load all of these right away because they are quite fantastic. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, November the 2nd. And I think on Sunday, November the 2nd, we also have the time change where we're going to be falling back an hour. So just keep that in mind too, especially if you are a crack of dawn Walgreens shopper. There is a time change, I believe, on Sunday. And in case you missed it, yesterday I posted a video on how to start couponing over at Walgreens. Lots of great information, and even if you're a very experienced shopper, because there are so many rules and it can be a little confusing, I'll link this at the very end, and if you're a newer shopper, check it out. And remember, Halloween went 50%. I'm going to predict here, I think either Tuesday or maybe Thursday, it's probably going to go 80. They want this stuff out the store, so I think it's going to go pretty quickly, just my old crystal ball prediction. Now, before we dive into the deals, if you guys can do me one huge kindness, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And if you possibly have the hype button, please press it. Really helps out the channel and the video. We're going to talk about is the absolute freebie anyone can do. One per store card. It's a free 8x10 print, valid from the 2nd to the 4th, and you use the code FREEPRINT11 exactly as pictured. Again, one per store card, and possibly if you punch in your phone number, a paper booster may print for you. This next deal is a buy one get one 50% off on the Scott's paper. Will we get digital coupons for this? We don't know, but $2 reward when you purchase 4. Grabbing 4 of these paper products, that's 15 on a buy one get one 50% off. They're usually $5 each. Getting back that $2 register reward, it's going to make it 13 for the 4 or $3.25 per unit of paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but double, triple check for those digital coupons on Sunday morning. That would make this deal extra great. The next deal that we have is on the Pantene. It's gone up 49 cents, so the cheaper one that's usually $5 is now $5.49. $3 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $10.98. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But this would be really a great deal if you have that $5 booster and you just want to do something quick and if you like Pantene. Another super hair deal of the week is the $6 Tresemme. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So 2 of these, the cheaper ones is $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per Tresemme. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. We had a whole bunch of like specialty coupons that were like store coupons, and there was one that was like 5 off 2 for Tresemme or 4 off 2. That one expired on Saturday, November the 1st, so we can't stack it. Now, if you possibly have this one, let's just get creative with the deal. I know a lot of you love the P&G laundry line. There's going to be dollar digitals for all these products. Possibly for the Tide Liquid and Pause, there might be like $1.50 or the 205 one. Grabbing 4 of these laundry care products for $19.96, and yes, you have to mix and match them. Right now, it says there's dollar digitals, $4 coming off. So you'd pay $15.96 with that weird booster loaded. You're getting back $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. That's $9 back. It makes it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per product. This booster is really weird. It's just any purchase, so you can use Walgreens cash and still earn your $5 of Walgreens cash, which doesn't make any sense, but it works in this scenario. So if you want to use Walgreens cash for the balance, go for it. It makes each product $1.74. Go and make this deal happen. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Olay body wash at $7 a pop with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. $5 reward when you purchase 3. Grabbing 3 of these at $7 each, that's $21. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, and then Fetch currently has $260 back when you spend $19. You will achieve that, making it $8.40 for the 3 or $2.80 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal does excite me. It's a buy one, get one free on the Gillette Venus razors with a $6 reward when you purchase 2. Typically, we get a $3 off for the men and ladies razor. Grabbing 1 of each at $9.99 on a buy one, get one 50% off. That's $14.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, and we're going to have to wait and see if we get that or not. You're going to pay $8.98. Get back a $6 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per razor. That is a stock-up price. We haven't had a razor deal in some time. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we have this really great deal on the Safeguard that's buy one, get one 50% off with the $1 off 2 coupon and a $2 register reward when you buy 2. Over on IBOTTA, we have a rebate for $1 back when you buy 2. Extra savings. Grabbing 2 of these Safeguards on a buy one, get one 50% off, it's going to be $8.23. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7.23. Get back a $2 register reward plus $1 back from IBOTTA, making it $4.23 for the 2 or $2.11 per hand soap, and these are larger bottles. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. $7.49 Axe solid deodorant, buy one, get one 50% off with a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those brick deodorants or stick deodorants, it's $11.23. Subtracting our digital coupon is $5.23. If you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash, or if you might have a register reward, even the one from Summer's Eve, if you went hard on those deals, throw it in to get this for 23 cents, and it's some Axe deodorant. And we have the Febreze household products at $3.49 with a $3.50 off a 2 digital coupon. So that's basically buy one, get one free. Grabbing 2 of these products at $6.98. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $3.48 for the 2 or $1.74 per product. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay that down. The Crest Oral-B products at $5, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these products, it's going to be $10. Probably the mouth rinse is the cheapest. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. Double, triple check IBOTTA on Sunday morning in case there might be a rebate for you. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but with IBOTTA, this potentially could be a freebie. We'll have to wait and see what's populated on Sunday morning. We also have the Colgate deal at $4 with a $3 reward when you buy 2 and a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the $4 Colgate products, that's $8. Subtracting our digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And not a bad little deal, 50 cents. I think that's definitely a stock up price and an item that a lot of us are stocking up on right around the holiday if you gift a lot of items from your stockpile, and toothpaste is one item we gift often. The Listerine for $6.99 is probably the smaller bottle. $3 reward when you buy 2. We're going to have to check if we have digital coupons to go with. I know there was one in that dumb mailer catalog, but it expired on Saturday. Grabbing 2 of the cheaper Listerines is $13.98. Getting back a $3 register reward. $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Soft soap and Irish Spring at $5.99, $1.50 reward when you buy 2, and we have a $3.50 off a 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $11.98. Subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $8.48. Get back a $1.50 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So not a bad little deal if you are short on body wash and you want to stock up. Let's go really quickly now through the honorable mentions. We have $2.99 with the $2 digital coupon for the Dawn or Mr. Clean household products. I'm wondering if we're going to get a $2 for the Power Wash and a $2 for the Clean Freak. Wouldn't that be nice? Please, please let that happen. Buy two, get two for free on the Pepsi products. I know a lot of you are stocking up, so this is not a bad little dealio to get two for free. $2.49 for the General Mills cereal. I would double, triple check IBOTTA and if there might be a $1 off two digital coupon. And the last one is the 2 for $7 for the Sun Chip Doritos. It makes each bag $3.50 each. That's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.